Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens. We are here to do some deals for the week of the 12th to the 18th of June. And I think we got a lot of really good deals this week. We've got a possible double dip going on right now as well, which is always super fun in my opinion. I did do a best deals video for this week last Friday, and I will have that linked up in the corner for you so you can check that out if you want to check out any more deals. I am doing one transaction today, and it is a spend $65, get back $15 in a Walgreens cash. What else? But that is really it, guys. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box for you to use to help you out in store or to help you plan your trip. Or I usually say it the other way around. But that's all, guys. So let's go inside and see what we can do. So we'll start off with the double dip, and you're going to want to grab a $4 item like the toothbrushes. I did see where another type of floss that's for $4 that is included in the weekly deal where it's buy 3 get back a $5 register reward. But I'm just going to go safe, and I'm going to grab the toothbrush here for $4, but it did ring up for $3.79. Then you'll want to grab 2 of the Oral-B Complete Satin Flosses. Now these are part of the promotion where you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward, but they're double dipping together. So you grab 2 of these at $3.99 a piece, and everything would equal out to $11.98. But since my toothbrush rang up at $3.79, all 3 products equal out to $11.77. We have that 7 off of 3 digital coupon that everyone should have received on Sunday in their app. That'll bring your total down to $4.98, but then you will get back 2 $5 register rewards. One is a manufacturer register reward for the buy 2 get back 5, and one is a $5 store register reward for the buy 3 get 5. So that would make everything free and a $5.02 moneymaker. Since my toothbrush rang up at $3.79, that makes everything free and a $5.23 moneymaker, which is amazing considering the next product that I'm picking up. So next we're going to grab some Charmin. The Charmin 12 count mega rolls are normally priced at $13.99. They're included in a promotion where you spend $25, you get back a $5 register reward. So we're going to grab 2 of these, and that will equal out to $28.98. We're going to use that 8 off of 2 digital coupon on them that we got last week. Then we would pay the $20.98. But then we'll get back that $5 register reward, making it $15.98 for both packages. Considering one of them is almost $15 by itself, I think that is a pretty good deal. But we are, of course, doing this whole transaction in a spend booster, so we will be getting this for a much better deal. So then next we're going to do a monthly deal on the Palmolive. The Palmolive is on promotion for the rest of this month. For buy 2, get back $3 in Walgreens cash, and you pay the normal price at $2.99 a piece. So the 2 of them will equal out to $5.98. You will pay that, get back $3 in Walgreens cash, making both of them just $2.98 or $1.49 a piece. So it's like buy 1, get 1 free, which I think is a pretty good deal. So next we're going to get the whole blends and the Garnier Fructis. They are on promotion with the same promotion as the double dip glitch. So if you do your transactions differently than what I'm doing today, you will want to do them in different transactions. And 9 times out of 10, that's what I tell you to do. And me being me, I let that slip my mind. So I am still going to tell you how much this would cost as if you're doing it in a separate transaction. But you can see at the end of the video how much everything costs in my transaction, and it still was a very, very good deal, even though I did it together. So we're going to grab 2 of the whole blends at $7 for 2 of them, and then we're going to grab 2 of the Garnier Fructis, also 2 for $7. So the 4 of them will equal out to $14. And we're going to see if the paper and digital's glitch. So we're going to use the 3 off 2 insert coupons from the 6 of 5 save insert, one for the whole blends and one for the fruities. And then we have digital versions of this as well. So those would take off another $3 each. If they do glitch together, then you would pay $2, get back a $5 register reward, making them a $3 moneymaker. If they don't glitch, because that's going on with the digitals and insert coupons, could stop at any second, then you would pay $8, get back a $5 register reward, making all 4 of them just $3. So next we're going to go over and we are going to grab some Dove men's bar soap and body wash. My Shopkick offer is still for the high value amount, so we're going to grab one of these Dove men's extra fresh bar soaps for $6.99 and one of the body washes, the Clean Comfort scent, also for $6.99. The both of them will equal out to $13.98. We have $2 insert coupons from the 6/5 save insert. I am only using one because whenever I've tried to use 2, I've had issues with them. So we're just going to use the one. That'll bring my total down to $11.98. But then I'm going to submit my receipt to Shopkick. I'm going to get 2 separate offers for each item. For the bar soap, I will get 1,400 kicks and 50 scan kicks when I scan it in store. That equals out to $5.80. And for the Clean Comfort body wash, I will get 1,225 kicks plus 50 scan kicks, which equals out to $5.10. So that'll bring my total down for both products to just $1.08, which is incredible. Now, if your store can push through that second coupon, then it would be a little bit of a moneymaker for you. Now, I did get these 2 last week, and I did submit my receipt to Shopkick, and my amount for the kicks was a lot less. It was about half. But then I think Wednesday or Thursday, the kicks were raised, higher up. So anyways, people were asking me, did I still get my kicks for that extra fresh bar soap? And the answer is yes. I didn't get my kicks till probably Saturday of last week, about 4 days after I did my shopping. But this version of the bar soap does not say on there that it's the 3-in-1 bar soap. But when you scan the barcode of this actual product here, it will say in the Walgreens app that it is the extra fresh 3-in-1 bar soap. And I did get the kicks for it, so you should be totally fine picking that one up. So this is everything that I'm getting in my cart, including the Charmin down here below. And I will be using a paper spend booster as well. I thought it was $10, but it's only $9. When you spend $40, it will stack with my digital version, but you can only use one of those in a transaction. And then I will be using one $5 register reward just to see how things are still going, if things are still being funky. Now I want to show a couple of newbie friendly deals. I haven't done this in quite a while, so I wanted to show that you will pick up 2 of the Colgate Optic Whites for $3.99 a piece here. They're on promotion. When you buy 2, you will get back a $5 register reward. So the 2 of these will equal out to $7.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that you will want to clip in your app. So what you'll do is you'll clip it in the app, and then when you go to checkout, you'll enter in your phone number and that digital coupon will come off. Then you will pay $4.98, but then you will get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So you will have to pay cash if this is your first transaction, but then you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Now after that, that will make these items free, and I want you to go back into the store and I want you to pick up a couple more items. I want you to go back and grab 2 Palmolive dish soaps at $2.99. Like I said earlier in the video, they are buy 2, get back $3 in Walgreens cash. So after you have purchased your Colgate, you're going to go back and you're going to purchase the Palmolive. That will ring up at $5.98. Then they will ask you to enter in your phone number, and you will enter in your phone number. Your total will be the $5.98. you can pay with $5 in Walgreens cash. So then you would only pay 98 cents plus tax. Then you will get your receipt back and you will get back $3 in Walgreens cash for purchasing both of these. So the cost of these items would be the $5.98 minus the $3 in Walgreens cash that you would get back, making them $2.98. But you only had to pay 98 cents out of your own pocket because you used $5 in Walgreens cash from the toothpaste. So that makes it really easy to roll your rewards, and you didn't have to purchase any coupons. You just downloaded a free app and you paid $6 out of your own pocket. You have $3 back and you got free toothpaste and pretty cheap dish soap. So let's go out to the car now and see how we did on my transaction that I did in the store.
All right, so we are back in from Walgreens, and there were some issues. And there was quite a few issues, and I'll talk about them as I go through my transaction. Like I said, I only did one transaction, but I'll start off with my Charmin. The Charmin on the shelf, the tag said $13.99. It rang up for $14.49. So I know that it's not a big difference, but if it is a big difference to you, or on principle or whatever, you can go back into the store and get the difference. Now in my state, you can go back into the store, get the difference, and $5 per product that rang up wrong. If I was in the store or if I was in the parking lot when I realized this, I would have gone back in and changed it. Now, not every state has that law, but I do suggest that if you can go back in the store, or if you can go back to the store, travel back to the store, then I would show them, because if they have something marked that's $13.99 and then they have to give out so many refunds and things like that, then it becomes an issue for the store. Also for the Charmin, my 8 off of 2 did not come off. Now when you scan it in my app, it shows that it is attaching it to the blue kind. There's the blue kind and the red kind. Now when you look in the app under the coupon, you have the traditional red kind, and then you have a blue kind that looks a little bit funky. It looks like more like a roll, or not a roll, but more like a package of paper towel. I don't know about you, but my stores do not have their Charmin packaged that way. It's packaged just like the red pack. It is pictured on the coupon that it should work for that. So when I scanned it, it showed that it worked. But I mean, like, we know in the world of couponing that if it's pictured on the coupon, it doesn't matter. It's what it says in the wordage. You know what I mean? But you can always use that to your advantage when things don't work out when they should, if it's pictured. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's a double-edged sword, I guess. My $8 coupon did not come off. So while I was in the parking lot, I talked to customer service, and they gave me the $8, no problem. But to me, and I'm sure a lot of people, an $8 coupon is huge. It is an absolutely massive coupon, and when it doesn't come off, it hurts. So yeah, if you're doing the Charmin or the Bounty this week and the coupon does not come off, definitely void it unless you're comfortable with just paying it and getting Walgreens. The third issue with that Charmin is that my register reward did not print. I don't know why. But that Charmin was a mess all the way around. Customer service thankfully also credited me for that register reward, but like I said, not all customer service agents will credit you for register rewards. They just refer you to the Catalina company. So what I'll do is I'll link the Catalina company down below, and when you submit your information to the Catalina company, also include a picture of the promotion that's in the ad. Send them a screenshot of that as well, because you do have to upload some images there. So anyways, there was that issue. And then I had a $5 register reward, and it was rejected. It wasn't expired. It was from, it had an expiration date of next week. So I got it last week, so it wasn't old, and it was rejected. She was able to push it through for me, but I don't know why it rejected it. And here's the thing, I don't know, and you can tell me, I don't know if we need items now to attach register rewards to, because that might be it. That may very well be it. So I'm sorry if I'm not super informed on that, but I haven't heard anybody talk about that as of this morning, and it's the 14th of June. But other than that, everything went fine. I guess everything went fine. I also made a mistake. So like I said, we have a double dip glitch going on, and it's not really a mistake, but I swapped that out for the Maybelline that I was going to get, and instead I'm going to grab the glitch. Well, the glitch is also on the same promotion as the Fructis and the whole blends, so I made a rookie mistake there. But in the long run, it doesn't matter to me that I made that little mistake, because I was only wanting to do one transaction anyways. So it is what it is there. What you can do is, if you want to do my transaction, then you can do the glitch separately, add in something that is about $2.30. You will get to the $65 mark, and then you could do the double dip separately if you would like, if you want to get 2 $5 store register rewards. To me, I don't like having very many of those, so I'm actually very happy that I did it that way. So let's take a look at the receipt now. So I did use a paper coupon for the whole blends, a paper coupon for the Dove men's, and I did not use 2 of those because I've had issues with those, and I said, you know what, I'm not doing it. I'll just eat $2. Then there is the Garnier Fructis paper coupon that I also used. Now, I had the 7 off 3 digital come off. I had 2 $3 digitals come off, and that's for the Garnier and the whole blends. And then I had the $5 register reward. I also got the points for the Charmin. So then that brings my total down to $40.71. So I mentioned this in my best deals video, that with this transaction, because I gave a very similar scenario and said that this was the transaction that I was doing, I gave a very similar scenario, and I said, you know what, I don't mind paying the $40 out of pocket because I have so much rebate money built up. I also gave examples of how you can use your coupons to pay for your spend portion so that you don't have to pay so much out of pocket for a transaction. I give the different examples, and you just do what works for you. This is what works for me. So my total was $40.71 before tax, and I paid that with my PayPal debit card. Then I got back $27.77 in Walgreens cash. $15 for my digital booster and $9 for my paper booster, and $3 for the Palmolive. Then I should have got back $15 in register rewards, but I only got back $10, and then I was credited the $5. But here are my register rewards for the glitch. So I'm super excited about that. Then I'll get back $10.80 on Shopkick for the Dove. And that makes everything free and a $12.86 moneymaker. And I think that's incredible. And yes, I whispered that, and I think that is insane. Despite the hot mess of the Charmin, I'm still happy with how everything went, or how it ended up going. Not at first, but how it ended up going. But that is really it. I'm just doing the one transaction this week. I don't have any other boosters, and I didn't get any more paper boosters back. I did get back a 20% off coupon here, so I'm hoping I can use it next week. We shall see. But anyways, guys, that is really all I have for you today. Don't forget to grab your Google Doc down below in the description box to help you out with these scenarios. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. But that is really all, guys. So let's take a look at the receipt. Now, I did get a soda with that. Oh my God, I called it a soda. So then I also got the points for the... Then I also got the points for the... My God. So I mentioned this in my best deals video, and I told you, or my gosh, and I told you